So good evening, everyone. So let us start. Online team, can you hear me? Fine then. Kindly spare some time. Let me prepare running notes for you. Let us change this one to okay. 23, 28. You're fine. Currently, we are running with the topic. What is the topic name, sir? List data. Hopefully, we can close today and we can move on to the next data structure. What is the next data structure? Tuple data structure. The next one is kindly keep in mind, and the order is really important, sir. We supposed to close this one yesterday itself, but it's okay. Good. All right. So let me walk through the gist index actually. I may not take much time. Just let me have a couple of minutes. I'm sure we started the discussion from why data structures is required. The purpose of this data structure will be only, yeah, 2 points. One is store the data, process the data. Sir, in terms of the processing, lot of operation, searching, retrieving, deleting, adding, appending, updating, modifying. These are all things we can do. Processing in the sense. Python data structures, we came across Python having the separate data structure. Not only Python, listen carefully, every programming language having its own data structures. Every programming language, like if you're taking about Java programming language, in Java programming language, the data structures names are called as a collection framework. What is that one? Collection framework. In C++ programming language, it is called as a container. It is called as a container. But anyway, in Python, it is called as a data structure, also called as a sequence. What is that one? Sequence. And sequence of elements, list data structure. There are exactly the 7 points I have covered, right? So which is that you have to tie to your hand actually. And I explained very clearly how to create a empty list and creating a list with elements actually, and creating a list by using list predefined function as well. I'm sure these are all things we done. List having what nature, sir? Means we can change. Good. So now you have to talk actually. We can access the list of values. Once you created a list data structure, list having group of values. Hey, there are mainly three ways to access the one by one value. The first one is a indexing, second one slicing, third one for loop. By using index, you can access one by one value. By using slicing, you can access group of value. By using for loop, you can access one by one value again. Yeah. So the next one is a length function. What is the next one, sir? Length function. Good. And so after that, now I hope I need to continue methods in list data structure. What is the topic name, sir? Methods in list data structure. Fine then. So let us continue. Did you remember? Same heading, even I have taken one day. What is the topic name? Hmm. Good. You can't believe the same heading we are going to see more than 10 times. Please keep in mind that one actually, right? I'm proving this one. Methods in list data structure. To prove this one, there are 2 points I need to cover. There are how many points, sir? 2 points. The first one will be list is a predefined class. List is what exactly? That point you need to understand. So what? If list is a class, so what? Generally speaking, generally speaking, you know, class contains or else class having methods, sir. Class having what exactly? Methods. That statement, I hope I already explained the same thing actually. If you take Python, let me tell you, in Python programming language, you can't believe everything is a class. You tell me integer, it is a class, float is a class, list is a class, tuple is a class. Sir, say something that is a class. So keep in mind that the class topic is a very, very important. What is a class where we are going to understand during object oriented programming language? I will give you left and right. I mean, we are going to understand very clearly. Right, good. Now, we need to understand these 2 points. Once you are able to understand these 2 points, then indirectly we are trying to prove actually. Good. If you take any Python program, we can implement in a 3 ways, man. We can implement in a how many ways? 3 ways. What is the first one? Any idea? First one is a procedure oriented. First one is what exactly? Procedure oriented approach. Next one is what exactly, sir? Function oriented approach. What is the third one? Good. You guys still remember actually. Nice. Object oriented approach. Good. When I'm talking about the procedure oriented approach, it's a very simple. Writing a program by using procedure. Writing a program by using what exactly, sir? Procedure. That is called as a procedure oriented. That is called as what exactly? Procedure oriented. Good. So the first one is writing a program, writing any program. We can write any program by using procedure. By using what exactly, sir? Procedure is called as a procedure oriented. Let me take a very simple example. So the first one is hi, next one is good evening. Next one is what exactly? Let me take a very simple example to prove in such a way that good. This is called as a procedure oriented. This is called as what exactly, sir? Procedure oriented. Second one is what exactly? Come on, tell me. Function oriented approach. I hope you know. You have to speak actually. If you wanted to understand about the function oriented approach, there are two things you need to understand. What is the first one? Any idea? How to create a function. Next one is how to good. How to access a function. By this time, why I'm writing very quickly, these are all points, I guess, right? It's a very simple how to create a function, sir, by using df keyword, wish of. So here I'm writing a function. My function name is called as a wish actually. Let me just try to write both statements. First one is hi. Next one is good evening. Sir, if I'm executing this example, no output. Why? You're not calling. You have to call this one, right? For your satisfaction, let me call this. Online team, I trust you guys are following. And is my voice is clear? Can somebody talk with me? Demo.py. Come on quickly. Go to the desktop. Sir, few guys are not saving the follow the format. I'm seeing few guys are not giving .py all files actually. It's the right time you have to understand. Go to the file. Whenever you are saving, ensure that you have to provide demo one. Only you are giving that one and you are saving. Please don't do that. Right. Come here. You have to add one more extension. What is that extension? .daniel. Am I right? .py. Good. Then here what we need to do? All files. Yes. So now let us just try to run this example. Now, what is the command actually? Py. So name of the file. Py. This one is what exactly? Name of the file. Also called as a module. Also called as what exactly? Module. Good. Good. Now the next one will be. What is the next one? Any idea? Object oriented. Very, very important, sir. If you wanted to understand about object oriented approach, there are exactly any steps. How many steps did you remember? Yeah, the first one is how to create a class. Next one is how to create a method inside of the class, inside a class. Good. Third one is how to create an object. Come on, I hope this point you didn't remember actually. Let me report these are all points one more time. How to call a method by using object. By using what exactly? Object. Come on. So let us just try to make it. These are all here. The first one is I'm talking about the class, and here I'm talking about the method, and here I'm talking about object, and here I'm talking about call a method. So these are all very highlighted point. Let us make you to remember one more time. Please, very, very important. Please focus on this one. If you wanted to understand object, first of all, object oriented programming is a separate chapter, like a how we covered function oriented, same thing like that. We created object oriented programming is a separate chapter. But for the timing, let me give a small kick introduction. The total chapter, object oriented programming, depends upon the 4 points, man. Depends upon how many points? 4 points. The first one is how to create a class. Second one, how to create a method. Sir, if somebody is talking about the class, remember that indirectly he is talking about the methods. He is talking about what exactly? Methods actually. Class is something like our physical body. Inside of that physical body, important organs actually. So those organs is nothing but a method. So generally speaking, method you cannot access directly like a function. Method you cannot access directly like a function actually. Then there is a one bridge required. Here the bridge is nothing but a object. What is that bridge, sir? Object. Once you created a class and a method, then immediately we need to create a object to whom actually? Class but not method. That point is very, very important. If somebody is talking about the object, object belongs to the class but not method actually. Good. And once you created an object, then what is the next step, sir? How to call a method. These are all points important. I will prove practically. So kindly please focus on this one. How to create a class. Let me just try to here. I will go step by step actually. Please walk through this one. I'm creating a class. My class name is a Daniel. Intentionally, I'm giving my own name so that you will understand. You can give your name also. Any name is fine. But ensure that you have to follow the fundamentals. Class name should starts with capital letter. Class name should starts with what exactly? You may ask a question. Why? Hold on. I will tell. I will tell. Let us enter into the object-oriented programming actually. Whenever you are writing a class name should starts with capital letter. That point is important. I will tell you the reason why also. Let me just try to write a method. Sir, successfully I have created a class. In Python programming language, you can create a class by using a class keyword. By using what keyword actually? Class keyword. Come on. By using what keyword? Class keyword. Inside class, we need to create what exactly? Method. Sir, how to create a method? DEF. Name of the method will be wish actually. And inside of this one, you have to use one predefined variable. What is that one? Selfish. Am I right? Self or selfish, sir? Self actually. Now here column. Sir, how many wherever column came, indentation is required. How many indentations actually? Two. One indentation is for class level. Next indentation is for, that's the syntax you need to follow. If you are not providing indentation, you will get an error. What is that error name? One more time. Last time. Perfect, man. Good. Now just try to come here. Hi. Successfully, you done two activities actually. The first one will be successfully you have created a class. This is the class. Inside class, always there are three things are available: constructor, method, variable. But as of now, you can ignore other stuff actually. Let me talk about only method. Let me talk about what exactly? Only method. I have created a class method. Then it's the right time. If you execute this example, no output, sir. Generally, where print statements are available, that print statement is supposed to be get execute actually. But where print statements are available? Inside class, but inside method. But what exactly? If you just create a class, just create a method, you cannot get the output actually. Then let us just try to call this method. Let us just try to call what exactly? This method. Now remember one thing, the very, very important point actually. Method you should not call directly like a function. Let me repeat one more time. Previously, we created a function, we call the function directly. Am I right? That's the nature of the function you can call. Function is independent. It cannot depend upon anything actually. But when it comes to method, method is not independent, sir. Example, this is something like if you wanted to touch the method, please talk with the class. Please talk with what exactly? Otherwise, you cannot access. Highly impossible actually. You may ask a question, why? Sir, more security. There is a more bond in between method and class actually. I will cover encapsulation. That is called as what exactly? Encapsulation. I will cover later. Now, here you need to create an object. There are three things I done successfully. First one, tell me, creating a class, creating a method inside class. One more time, creating a method inside a class. Third step is a creating an object. Three steps we done actually. What is the last step, sir? Calling a method. How to call the method actually? D dot visual. Sir, dot is a kind of a bridge actually. You are connecting in between object and method. Definitely dot is the notation. Instead of dot, can I use comma symbol? No. Instead of dot, can I use semicolon? No. Column. Only dot works actually. Only what exactly? Dot work. This is something like a bridge, right? Now save this example. Execute this example successfully. You know what? We have created a 4 steps actually. We have created what exactly? 4 steps. First one is a creating a class, creating a method inside of the class, creating an object, and calling a method by using object. Am I right? Good, sir. Now take this example. And I just wanted to hear from you. Hold on. Online team, are you following, sir? Let me create a one more method. Let me create. Sorry, sir. Somebody is asking why power gone. Someone won't like the session, sir. That's why. Yeah, thanks. Online team, I'm back actually. Can you hear me? Can I get a response? Yeah, let's start. So maybe pace will be changed one more time. One more time, we may lose the power actually. We'll see. Yeah, here in this step, there are 4 steps I done actually. But let me do one more thing, sir, please. Now just try to come here. DEF. Let me create a method. Method name is a teaching actually. Print. Let me just try to write. I like teaching in my free time. Now, so how many classes? One class. Tell me how many classes? One class. How many methods? Two methods. What is the first method? Wish. Next one, teaching. Sir, wish method successfully we call it is okay. Teaching method can I call directly? No. Same object you can use actually. The beauty with the object is, sir, in the total program, the most powerful line is this line actually. The most powerful line. What do you mean by powerful line? If you touch this object, kind of some variable, kind of some D variable actually, D letter seems to be single letter, but total class data, what it is having, it will hold actually. Yeah. Now the same thing. Can I call D dot teaching actually? Yes, you can call. You can call actually. Now just try to come here and execute this example. All right. Now just try to take the same example. Seems to be I have created a one class. Now I want response from you. Come on, somebody tell me. First one is class. What is this one, sir? Keyboard. Am I right? Next one, Daniel. What is this one? Name of the class. Name of what exactly? Class. Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. Can we list out like this? Keywords. What are all keywords we are using? Do let me know. Class. Next one is DAF. Any other? Self is not a keyword. Self is not a keyword. Otherwise, I may list it out in keywords table actually. Keep in mind that I will cover what is a self. Self is a predefined variable. Class I covered actually. Next one is wish. What is that one, sir? If you want, let me just try to make a wish. Sir, what is this one? Name of the method. Name of what exactly? Method. Good. And self is a what happened, sir? Predefined variable. Hold on. What happened? Yeah. Sorry, man. No, name of the method. Thank you. And at the same time, let me write one more thing actually. Teaching. Am I right? Teaching. Teaching of self actually. This one also what exactly? Name of them. You have to list out. By looking at this one, you should recognize actually. Self is a predefined variable and D is a object to the class. Name of the object. Name of what exactly? Object to class. What is the class here actually? Daniel. That point you need to catch, man. Come on. When I'm talking about the D, immediately how to map this D belongs to Daniel. D belongs to what exactly? Daniel. Good. And the next one will be D dot wish. What is this one? Calling the method. What is that one, sir? Calling the method by using object. Very good. D dot teaching. What is this one? Calling the method by using object. Sir, anyone having any doubt here actually? If you are print, can I write print also? Very good. Print is what exactly, sir? Predefined function. Very nice. First time actually I'm hearing this one. Predefined function from all other batches. See, from here to here, we have explained very nicely actually. That point you need to catch. Pin to pin, you need to understand. Sir, don't try to parenthesis symbol, equals, not required actually. Dot notation, these are all. Getting right? Now, let me tell you. Now, what you need to understand, generally, kind note actually. What is that kind note is? Kind note. A class, tell me, sir, contains what exactly? Methods. Class contains methods. Here, Daniel class contains what exactly, sir? Method. Yeah. Daniel class contains wish and teaching method. Am I right? Sir, now let me tell you another kind note actually. This one is the first kind note. This one is the another kind note. What is the note? List is a predefined class in Python. List is what exactly? If Daniel is a class, how Daniel class contains method? I'm talking about the predefined class. Class name is what exactly? List. No doubt at all, it should contain one thing. What is that one? Method. What is that one, sir? Indirectly, this is the proof actually. Right. A list is a predefined class in Python. Then list class should contain what exactly? Methods. What are all methods? We'll see step by step. Till now, I hope you are clear actually, right? But anyway, uh, sorry for saying I didn't even explain what is a class, what is a method, what is an object actually. That is a separate discussion. Kindly please bear with me. And maybe next week I'm going to cover object-oriented programming actually. You have to please bear with me. Let me talk with online team. 1 minute. Team, you are following, right, sir? Online team, come on quickly. Yeah. I will prove practically one method. Now, any one of you may ask a question. Can you prove? Can you prove? Like, class contains method. Class contains what exactly? Method. Yes, we can prove. What is the answer? By using any idea? Yeah, by using dir function. By using what exactly, sir? Dir function. I mean to say that now dir function, kind of some directory, sir. Kind of what exactly? Directory. Now just try to come here. Print of. Here you can provide directly dir of. Here p. P means name of the class you can provide. What you can provide? Either name of the class you can provide or else object name also you can provide. There are two syntax actually. I'm repeating again. dir is a predefined function. dir is what exactly, sir? Predefined function. Whenever you are calling this function, it returns two things actually. It returns what exactly? Two things. The first one is with underscore methods. With underscore what exactly? Methods. And second one will be, any idea? Without underscore methods. Frankly speaking, this you can literally ignore. Not at all required. Please focus on this one. Please focus on this one. I'm repeating again. Sir, it's a very simple, sir. Length is a predefined function. Whenever you are calling the length function, how it is returning number of values? Length is a predefined function. Whenever you are calling how it is returning number of values, same thing like that. dir is a predefined function. Whenever you are calling the dir predefined function, it gives the result as a two things actually. How many things? Two things. The first one is two types of methods it returns. First one, with underscore symbols, you can ignore, not required. Second one is without underscore symbol. Second one is what exactly? Let me show you practically. Come here. Yeah, inside Daniel, how many methods are available? I wanted to see. Wow, a lot of methods it is returning. But do you think these are all required actually? Underscore class underscore DL attribute. Do you think these are all required? Not at all required from here to here actually. Yeah, there are two methods. What is the first method? Teaching. Next one is a. But according to order, what is the first method here actually? Wish. But what is the first method? What happened back in any idea? It is sorting. It is what exactly, sir? Sorting based on alphabetical order. Am I right? Now take the same thing. Uh, sorry, man. You will understand. Slowly by slowly, you will understand. Don't worry. Now, let us just try to delete these are all stuff actually. Come on. Sir, this is the first example. This is the first example. Second alternative also we do have. There is a second alternative. What is the second alternative? Hello, Daniel. Instead of providing Daniel class, you can still provide D equals to Daniel. You can still provide here D. You can still provide here what exactly? Object name also you can provide. This is still valid actually. Now just try to come here. Observe here actually. Still we are getting in a same output actually, right? Take this example. You can just try to, you have to practice all these things. Then only you will understand. Otherwise, I'm sorry. Now get ready, sir. So Daniel is a class. Inside Daniel methods would have I proved practically. Now let me tell you, list is a predefined class. I wanted to prove list class can contain methods. How to prove actually? DIR of what exactly? List. Am I right? I'm repeating again. Daniel is a predefined class. Inside Daniel class, what are all methods are available? If you wanted to know, dir of d you provided actually. Same thing like that. A equals to 10. Sorry, man. Sorry again. Online team, hold on, sir. Power pace changed actually. We lost power. Online team, hold on, please. Come on, very quickly. Yeah, you are able to see, right? Sir, you do let me know what I done actually. I have created a one list data structure. I have created what exactly? But let me tell you, list is a predefined class. List is what exactly? How to prove practical? Any idea? Print of any idea? Type of what exactly? Yeah. Then backend it will return. Okay, sir. List is a predefined class. List is what exactly? If list is a class, list contains what exactly? Methods. List contains what exactly? How to prove practically? By using the very good. By using what exactly? That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Sir, coding is very easy, but you have to follow the pattern very nicely actually. Now, just try to come here. What you can provide? Either print of dir of what you can provide here actually? A or one more point is list. Anything you can provide. Now you will get a lot of methods, but all sorry, all methods are not important. I will tell you what all methods are important. Just try to see. These are all methods. Underscore methods you can ignore literally. These are all methods, important methods we are going to say. Did you understand? Good. Now let's take this example. Now we have to enter into the discussion. Open the material and kindly continue the discussion. Tell me what is this one? As discussed means till now I roar like a dog. Am I right or not, sir? Do you think I'm a dog actually? Just I'm kidding. As discussed means till now I have explained. List is a predefined class. So list class contains methods because methods can be created what exactly? Inside of the class. We can check these methods by using dir predefined function. Come on. So internally, list class contains two types of methods. First one is a with underscore symbol. We no need to focus. Directly I'm writing. Next one is a without underscore symbol. Please focus on this one. Just try to see like this actually. Yeah, these are all important methods, man. Print dir of list. Class name I am providing. Important methods. Tell me, sir, what is the first method? Append, count, insert, remove, reverse, sort. These are all important methods. We'll see step by step. This point you can ignore. I can cover later. These are all important methods. Count, append, insert, remove, reverse, and sort actually. Let us continue. Yeah, first method is what exactly? Sir, somewhere we have discussed the same method. Any idea? String. I mean to say that string class also having the same method name, list also having the same method name, tuple also having the same method name. No problem at all actually, right? So nothing is wrong in that. Now let us just have to take this one. I will tell you what is the purpose of this one. Please focus on this. The very first one. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Next one is a 10, 10, 10, 10 actually. Sir, if I wanted to know the length of A, total how many values are available, then you just need to call, what you need to call actually? Length actually, am I right? Length of A is what exactly, sir? 8. Yes, I hope you know this one. But my motto will be not to call length actually. My motto will be, I just wanted to call how many times 10 is available. I just wanted to know how many times 10 is existing. How many times, sir? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost it is taking 5 seconds for you. Assuming that the list is a very big list actually. Then counting takes a lot of time. Instead of counting manually, there is a one method. Method name is called as a count. What is that method name? Though it is a method, can I call directly? No. How to call? A dot. What is that one? A dot. Very good. A dot count. Sir, only one point I'm telling. If you understand connection between A dot count, I'm sure you understand the topic very well, sir. Why? Because many people will get a confusion here. Why you are writing a dot? Simple. Because count is a method. If you wanted to access the count method, where this is available, inside list is available, that object is required. What is required? Object is required. Here, A is a object to the list class. Count is a method to the list class. I hope you're getting right. Very simple. Very. If anyone having any doubt, you can do. Let me know, sir. Yeah, exactly. It's a how simple it is. Indirectly, it is bringing the result will be what exactly, sir? 5. Now take this one. Apart from that, nothing. Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, you can create only one list. You can make it actually. Count is a predefined method in a list class. We should means no option, no alternative. I'm not using not even can word actually. We can access something like that. I'm using should keyword. We should access this method by using list object. This method returns the number of occurrences of what exactly, sir? Specific values in the list. If you want about the explanation for this program, I can give, sir, explanation. Yeah, tell me. Variables. What are all variables? Would you have any idea? Yeah, very good. A is a variable. And what are all values would you have, let us take from 10 to 10 actually. These are all values actually. Very good. Next one, functions. How many functions? One function. Only print. Sorry, man. Print and next one is what exactly? Very good. Length function. Now please focus. We do have a method. We do have what exactly? What is the method name? Count. Count of P means parameter. No, A dot count. So this is something like what exactly? No, calling. Tell me, sir. Calling method. Tell me. Calling method by using object by using list object actually something like that. Now one more point I wanted to tell. What is this one? Any idea? Object to the list class. Object to what exactly? List class. I know you might have a doubt like previously Daniel class D is the capital. I'm repeating again. Previously, Daniel, D is what exactly? Capital. But in a list, L is what exactly? Small k. There is a reason. Hold on, I will tell you. Sir, I know which point at what time I need to cover. I know. Otherwise, you will literally get a confuse. Please, sir. So I know which point I need to cover at what time. I can explain later during object-oriented programming language. Keep in mind that. Good. Successfully we done with the one method. This method returns the number of occurrences actually. 5. How many times is available? 3. 2. How many times it is available? 1 actually. Can I ask a question? Sir, N is what exactly? Object to list class. Tell me. Good man. Now move on to the next one. Next method is a append method. Next method is what exactly? Sir, damn sure interview question. Please focus. Equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now print of A. Now just try to come here. Good. How many values would you have? 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, can I add one more value to the existing list data structure? We can add. First of all, list having mutable nature. What nature, sir? Means if you want, you can add the value. If you want, you can append the value. We can append actually. To append this one, to add a value, we need to use a method. Method name is called as a dot append. What is the method name, sir? A dot append. Let me add 50 value. Let me add what exactly? 50 value. Sir, you know what happened? This is before appending we are printing, and here successfully we are appending the value. What is the value you are appending? 50. After appending, let me print the list. Let me print what exactly? List. Sir, in this year, what exactly happened? Any idea? 50 also will get add actually. 50 also will get what exactly? Add. Let me tell you. Append method will add value at last position. Append method will add value at what exactly? Last position. Now just try to see exactly where 50 is getting adding actually at last position. At what position? You may ask a question, hey Daniel, can I append here? Actually, we can append. I will explain slowly by slowly. Please focus on this one. Getting everyone right? Yeah, good. Now just try to come here. Good question. I heard actually. So please ask. Any one of you may ask a question. Hey, only one value actually. Can I add a multiple value? We can add. There is a one more method. Method name is called as a extend actually, but we are not using in a real time. By using extend also we can add a multiple values. We are not using. And now a dot append. Let me add here Daniel sir. Let me add here what exactly? Daniel. Can somebody help me? Daniel will add at what position actually? Last position. Just try to see. First this operation performed, 50 added actually. Immediately one more operation performed. What value actually? Daniel. Did you understand? Good. Take this one. Get ready. I have a great question for you. I have a great question for you. Sir, instead of this one, I'm calling this one actually. What is any idea? Come again. One more time. Last time. Exactly valid, sir. Please focus on this one. Error name is what exactly? Attribute error. Very, very important. In list methods also same error came. I'm sorry, man. In string methods also same error came. In list methods also same error came. You can't believe all upcoming sessions same method will come actually. Same error will come. Please focus on this one. Read everyone minimum 2 times actually. What is the first one? Attribute error. Last time attribute error. Please focus on this. Online team. So let me talk with you. I hope you're following everyone actually. If method name is wrong, sir, generally Python is a case sensitive. Python is what exactly? I'm sorry, man. I have a cough actually. Python is a case sensitive. This one and this one not same. Don't think our English teacher will tell this one and this one same actually, but Python teacher will tell not same, sir. Both are not same actually. Python follows what exactly? Case sensitive. Keep in mind that. What do you mean by append actually? Append means nothing but adding the value, sir. Appending. If need more, more meaning, then either Oxford Dictionary or Google helps actually. Just my suggestion. Okay. All right. So append is a predefined method in a list class. We should access this method by using list object. This method adds a object or element to the existing list object. This method will add object to what exactly, sir? End of the list actually. It's a very simple. First, you need to tell this is the predefined method. Then immediately you need to tell how to access actually. Then you need to tell what is the purpose of that method. There are three things you need to tell. First one, what is that one you need to tell. Second one, how to access. Third one, what is the purpose? Whenever you are calling append, what happens exactly? That point you need to cover actually. Are you getting? Good, man. Kindly please walk through this example. It's a very simple. Very simple, sir. These are all very simple. Now the next method name is a insert. What is the next method name? Insert. Let me cover this one. Insert method. Till now, how many methods I covered? Any idea? First one is a count method. Next one, append method. Now next method is a insert method. Sir, what append method will do? Append method is adding value at last position. Append method is adding value at what position actually? Last position. I don't want to add value at last position. Hold on. Yeah, look at my screen. What append method done? Append method taking the 99 and it is adding this 99 to the existing A actually. That's what you need to capture, please. What exactly happening? Take this one. First of all, it is taking this value. Okay. Taking this value and adding to the existing list data structure. It is doing in the same way actually. But now, what is my question? Hey, Daniel, I don't want to add the value at last position. Can I add here actually? What is this position actually? 0th position. Can I add a value? You can add actually. But here append method won't work actually. One more method will work. What method name is a insert method? What method? Sir, insert method work in a 2 dimensions actually. A dot insert. Yeah, first one, you need to tell the position. You need to tell what exactly. Second one, you need to tell the value. What position you want actually? I want 0th position, a kind of some index position you need to provide 0. What value you wanted actually? Do let me know. 99. Now let us just try to run this example. Please observe this one. Yeah, exactly. What happened here, sir? Do you think 10 is deleted actually? No, 10 is not deleted. 10 value is not replaced actually. This is not called as a replacement. This is something like a inserting. This is something like what exactly? Let me tell you. You went to theater. There are 5 seats would you have actually. How many seats would you have? 5 seats would you have. You thought like this position is really good and you seated till from this position actually. Suddenly, actual person came. Then what's supposed to happen? Do let me know. All your family members supposed to stand and take one step backward actually. Am I right or not? Here exactly it is happening the same thing. Previously, the 10 value index is at 0. Now 10 value index is what exactly? 1. Sir, let me repeat again. This you cannot apply in a real time. I will tell you. This is the costly operation in a Python. Why I'm telling costly operation, though it is just a matter of 4 values, it is standing and it is taking next position. Okay. Think about 1 crore values. How many values? 1 crore value. Just for simplicity, if you are inserting first element with the other element, how many elements will stand actually? 1 crore element will stand, it will take the next position. I hope you are getting, sir. Are you getting? Insert is a method. By using that, you can insert the value based on your index position. Based on what exactly? Your index position. Did you understand? This is if it is really required, then only we need to use actually. If it is really required, then only we need to use actually. Otherwise, we should not use. Otherwise, we should not use actually. If you want, let me tell you. These are all IRCTC. Your family members booked a ticket actually. Your family members book what exactly? Ticket. Suddenly, some person is asking, I need this seat actually. First of all, can we allow? Will beat actually. Are was that is my seat, something like that actually. Am I right or not, sir? Assuming that if IRCTC is allowing, so let me take this seat, whoever they want actually, then what's supposed to happen? All these seats supposed to be what exactly, sir? Carry forward to the next seats actually. Am I right or not? That's what they are not allowing. Come on, come on. This much analysis is not required for you, but anyway, let me walk through. Kindly please walk through. Important interview question. What is the difference between append and insert? This method adds element at what position? Last position. This method adds element at what exactly? Specific index position. Good. Now the next one is the remove method, sir. Next one is what exactly? Yeah. Remove is a predefined method in a list class. We should access this method by using what object actually? List object. By using this method, we can remove value from the list. We can remove what exactly? Here you should provide value but not index. That point you need to catch. I mean to say that a dot remove of 10. If 10 is available, it will remove. If 10 is available, what exactly? It will remove. Come on. Before removing, I'm printing 10, 20, 30, 40. But after removing also, I'm printing this one also. Simply we should not remove. Again, all indexes are coming in front direction actually. What happened? Good. Can somebody help me? Hmm. Girls, tell me, boss. Madams, tell me how many methods we covered actually. I need response. First one is a count method. Next one is append method. Next one is insert method. Next one is remove method. Good. So now let's move on. Last iteration, the value is added actually. Good, good. Come on, these are all very easy, sir. Ordering the list of list actually. Reverse. One more method would have that method name is called as a reverse actually. That method is what exactly it will do. First of all, let me tell you. First, understand what is the order of list data structure. The insertion order is a fixed. Insertion order is what exactly? Fixed. Means 10, 20, 30, 40. Like a 1, 2, 3, 4. But now suddenly my requirement will be, I need a reverse order. I need what exactly? A reverse order. Actually. Yes, we can get it. Then you need to call a method. That method name is what exactly? A dot reverse actually. A dot what exactly? Sir, in simply you are changing the position, please. Simply you should not do actually. But these are all possible in Python. But in real time, why? Because here just a matter of 4 values. Just a matter of what exactly? Think about 4 million values would you have. 4 crore values would you have actually. If you are having the 4 million values, simply if you want a reverse order actually, takes a lot of time, man. Your system will cry actually. Getting ready. That too, we are working with the data science. Data science means what exactly? Big data. That point you need to catch actually. Yes, this one also data, but this data is a Britannia data. Just a matter of 4 values actually. But think about the big scale. Think about what exactly? Big scale actually. Come on. Yeah. Reverse method. What method, sir? Reverse method. Please walk through. Reverse is a predefined method. Am I going fast actually? No. Reverse is a predefined method in list class. Sir, what is the current topic? Methods in a, one more time, methods in list. The next topic is, the topic name is a list comprehension. What is the topic name? First point, my favorite topic. Next one is the very, very important topic in a real time. Every real-time projects we are using the topic name actually. The topic name is a list comprehension. Get ready for that one actually. If anyone wanted to sleep, you can sleep for the timing. Next 5 minutes, I will wake you up, sir. Are you ready? Good. So the next method name is a sort actually. It's a very simple. Now let us just have to take this one. Yeah. One important point here actually. Let me tell you. Harish, yeah. I understand, sir. One of our teammate, what our teammate is telling, Array Daniel, I'm confusing little bit about the lambda and list compression. It's a cool, more practice required. If you want, you can connect with me. I can still help with you, right? Looks like same methodology actually. Then you already know Python. Harish, I hope you're from internship batch, I guess. I still remember the name. Am I right? All right, then fine. So don't confuse existing guys actually. Just I'm kidding, right? I will explain. I will explain one more time. Yeah, come on, sir. Tell me, sir. 50 I'm providing. 10 I'm providing. 30. Next one is a 20. Good. Let me just try to print here. Can somebody help me? What is output actually? Tell me, sir. 50, 10, 30, 20. One more time. Why like that? Tell me. Very good, man. Insertion order is fixed. Sir, list data structure, I have given 7 points, right? Please by heart that points actually. When I'm asking about that, tell the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, how you are telling. Same thing like that. When I'm asking about the list data structure, we have to tell create, store, size. These are all order actually. Please ensure that we have to follow. Good. Any one of you may ask a question. Can I keep the values in some ascending order, some descending order? You can keep actually. There is a one method. Method name is called as a sort method. What method? Sort or short actually. Now let us just try to call a. Now this is before sorting. This is after sorting. Just try to say 10, 20, 30, 50 actually. Are you getting? Good. Take this example. One important interview question. What is important interview question? Sort method you can apply only on numbers. It is okay. If you are applying sort method over the numbers, the order will be ascending order. Order will be what exactly? Ascending order. Now let us just try to apply something like so giraffe, assuming that. Don't consider the spelling mistake, please. Next one is apple. Next one is banana. Good. Now please observe this one, sir. Tell me the order. A, B, G actually, something like that. Am I right? Good. Now let me tell you one example. That's what, sir. That's what my next point actually. Now let us just try to provide here actually 10, 20, 30. First of all, let me tell you, sort is a method. Whenever you are applying the sort method, you have to work with only homogeneous values. Why? Because let me tell you, if it is only number, I can compare with the 10 with what exactly? 20. 20 with what exactly? 30. But can I compare apple with the 10 actually? No. Then you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error actually, right? Now save this example. Now just try to see. Yeah, what is error name? Type error. What is that error name? Type error. Backend it is trying to comparing each and every value. Hey Daniel, 10 is a integer and apple is a string. I'm sorry, how can I compare? Indirectly it is throwing the error name. Indirectly it is throwing what exactly, sir? Error name. You will get an error. Seems to be we done methods. Kindly please walk through. Sort is a predefined method in list class. We should access this method by using list object. By default, insertion order is a fixed actually. By using this method, we can sort the values in a list. The numbers follows ascending order. The strings follows what exactly? Alphabetical order. Come on, sir, math operator. This one also a bit important. Like in a string, there are two math operators we can apply. First one is a plus operator. Second one is a multiplication operator, something like a star operator. Same operators here also you can apply. Plus operator concatenates two list objects actually. See, A equals to 10, 20, 30. B equals to 40, 50, 60. Can I combine A and B? You can combine, sir. Then you need to apply C equals to A plus B. C equals to what exactly? When I don't know Python in the year of 2016, when I'm getting a KT from my client, what I thought, A plus B means 10 plus 40. Next one is a 20 plus 50. Next one is 30 plus. No, 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 it was not like that. If you're adding plus symbol in between the list, actually, it combines the list. It just combines the list, actually, right? Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Do I need to execute this example? I hope you already know. Next one is a repetition operator. Sir, same thing like a string. Here A star 2 means repeat this list two times actually. First time 10, 20, 30. Second time 10, 20, 30. If I am giving here 3 actually, how many times? 3 times. Come on, come on. These are all things. Next one is a membership operator. What do you mean by membership operator? It's a very simple, sir. Print 20 in A. Is 20 is available? Available. Then what is the result? True. Next one. 20 not in A. First of all, 20 is available. True, we got it actually. Then what is the opposite result? False. 90 in A. What is the result? False. 90 not in A. What is the result? True actually. Come on. We can check if a specific element is a member of list or not by using membership operator. There are in operator, not in operator. If the value is available in the list, then in operator returns true. Otherwise, false. Yeah. So what is the time? Good. The most important topic, and it is very easy. No confusion. It is a very simple. Sir, damn sure interview question. Please focus. Good. What is the topic name? Tell me. List comprehension. It is a very easy. Please focus on this one. Sir, I do have a good experience in a Java programming language, Scala programming language, and Python. In Java Scala programming language, this feature is not available. But in Python, this feature is available. I will tell you. Read only this word actually, sir. Comprehension. Read one more time. Comprehension. Last time. Did you know from your childhood, write a essay writing on the woman, write a comprehension writing on Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi. These are all. What do you mean by comprehension? Like a big paragraph you need to write. Like here list comprehension means it's a big syntax. It's what exactly? Big syntax. First of all, I will make you to understand the syntax. Then I will enter into the topic actually. First of all, understand the syntax very carefully. Good. When I'm talking about the list comprehension, I'm repeating one more time. The syntax is a very big syntax. That's why that name we got it here actually, right? What is the syntax? As usual, LHS equals to what exactly, sir? RHS. Very simple. I'm sure end of this session you will tell it is very simple actually. Keep in mind that, right? LHS equals to what exactly? RHS. Sir, left hand side any variable name. Left hand side what exactly? Any variable name you can take it out. And right hand side, what you need to take, take a list actually. Take what exactly? List. Inside that list, take it 3 parts. Part number 1, I will tell you. Part number 2. Part number 3. Wow. I will tell you what is the part number 1, part number 2, part number 3. Please follow the syntax. As per the syntax, LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side, name of the variable you need to provide. Right hand side syntax, first empty list you can provide. What you need to provide, sir? Come on, tell me. Empty list. Inside that list, 3 parts required. How many parts? 1 part, second part, third part actually. Now let me reveal what is a part number 1, part number 2, part number 3. I will explain slowly by slowly. Please focus. Sir, what do you mean by part number part number 1? Part number 1 can be either variable or expression. Either variable or what exactly? Expression. In a list comprehension, part number 1 place, if you want, you can write a variable or expression. I will show you example. And part number 2 is a for loop. What is that one, sir? For loop. For loop, wherever for loop came, then definitely what is required actually? Sequence. What is required actually? For loop with sequence. I will tell you. Part number 3 is a condition. Part number 3 is what exactly? Condition. One more time. Part number 3 is a, but you know what? This is optional. I will show you with example actually. Exactly this is the syntax, man. Now, according to this one, let me create the syntax in front of you. You will get a clear picture. Come on. Let us take a some result equals to. Yeah, let us take a result equals to. In a part number 1, what I need to copy paste, sir? Variable or expression. Give a space. For loop with what exactly? Sequence. Give a tab space. Condition. I'm sorry, man. What is this one? Condition. Did you understand actually? Yeah, I hope you understand. Can you please read everyone? Result equals to list of, what is the first one? Variable or expression. For loop with sequence. Condition. Optional. What is that one? Optional. Now, can you tell me? Whenever I'm talking about the list comprehension, understand the syntax first. If you understand the syntax, the topic is very easy. In first of, that's what I told. What is the topic name, sir? Tell me. Comprehension. See, can I say very big syntax actually? That's what that name it got it actually. Whenever your order matters, keep in mind that. Can I write a part 1, part 2 actually? No, you should not write. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Can somebody tell me? Part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 1, variable or expression. Part 2, for loop with sequence. Part 3, what is that one? Yeah. Condition, sir. It's a very simple condition actually. I will explain one general example. Please focus on this one. Now let me ask a question. It's a very simple. Did you remember I have asked one day one question like a 100, 200, 300, 400 actually. But now let me tell you, I'm expecting the result will be, I'm expecting, the expected result will be, result will be, I just wanted to add plus 10 value. I just wanted to add what exactly? Same point I covered somewhere. Where I covered any idea? Lambda. You can ignore that discussion as of now, but let me tell you. 110. Am I right? Next one is a 210. Tell me, sir. 310. Next one is 410. My requirement is a very simple. I do have a list of values. I do have what exactly? Later I can compare with lambda also. As of now, you can ignore lambda discussion. I do have a list of value. I just wanted to access every value. I wanted to perform one operation. I need to return the result. First one, I wanted to access a value, which is something like 100. I wanted to perform some operation plus 10 actually. Then I need a result as a 110. Respectively, all these value. Then 400 will become what exactly? 410. Sir, you know what? This you can achieve by using list comprehension. This you can achieve by using what exactly? List comprehension. Let me show you. Are you clear till now? Good. Come on, let us take this one. Sir, very simple, please. Very simple actually. I will explain 2 times. Please focus on this. Yeah, now I need your response. Result equals to. I hope you already know. Part 1. What is the first one, sir? Part 1. Next one is what exactly? Part 2. Next one is what exactly? Part 3. One more time. Part 1, part 2, part 3. As of now, let us make it, this is optional, right? You can ignore that discussion actually. Very good. I will explain part 3 today only. Don't think like I will skip actually today only. Good. So tell me, part 1 is what exactly? Variable or expression? Tell me, variable or expression. Part 2 is a for loop with sequence. Now let me reveal the secret actually. Sir, list comprehension, always execution starts from part 2. Always execution starts from what exactly? That is the top secret actually. What is the part 2? Tell me. For loop with what exactly? Come on, you can apply. For, tell me, value in what exactly? Values. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. For loop with sequence, right? I am writing a for loop actually for value in what exactly? Values. Previously, one student tempted and he had written column and he had provided what exactly? Sir, please don't write this one actually. Whenever you're working with the list comprehension, you no need to write. What exactly we are doing, first of all, from the list, we are creating a list of, that's why we have taken the list actually. And the next one will be for loop value in values actually. Then here part 2 is what exactly? Tell me, sir. Variable or expression, right? Let us take the variable. Expression means what exactly? Plus 10. That's it, man. Your task is done actually. Just a matter of one line, your task is done actually. Just a matter of what exactly? One line. One line. Now go back and let me just try to print the values actually. And let me just try to print what exactly? Result also. I will explain one more time. Please focus. Such a nice example, man. Frankly speaking, just a matter of single line code actually. Very efficient and more comfortable. I will write for you one more time. Please focus. Now you have to tell me. I want multiplication with 2 actually. I want what exactly, sir? Multiplication with 2. So I need a response from you. Star 2 actually. Come on, sir. Please tell me how to do that one actually. Come on. Result equals to list, empty list. Part 1, next one is what exactly? Part 2, next one is a part 3. Part 3 you can ignore. List comprehension syntax always starts execution from part 2. Keep in mind that. It never starts from the part 1. Always it starts from what exactly? Part 2. Part 2 is what exactly? For loop with sequence. For loop with what exactly? Let us just try to write a for loop. Come on here. For good. Value in here sequence. What is the sequence here? Values. Very good. Very good, man. Very good actually. Now done. Part 2 successfully we had written. When it comes to part number 1, here what you need to write actually? Either variable or expression you need to write. Am I right? Let us take the variable. What is the variable here, sir? Can I say this is the variable actually? Yes. Now let me create an expression star 2. Done your task actually. Then what is output, sir? Any idea? Array man. Okay, very good. Values. Next one is what exactly? A result. Done. Your task is done. Perfect. You got it actually. Did you understand? I hope you understand. Hold on. Hold on this example. Let me ask one more question for you. Let me talk with online team. Online team, no one is not responding, sir. What happened? Last to 10 minutes, sir. Last 20 minutes onwards, no one is not responding. Are you with me? Very good. Very good. Very good. Good. Now I have a question for you. Get ready. I have a question for you. I hope you already know my question. Names equals to, let me take. The first one is Naresh. Next one is Suresh. Next one is Daniel. Somebody is telling Harisha. It is okay, sir. Let me just try to take a Harish actually. Good. All names ends with what exactly? Ish actual. Yeah, good. Now I just need a result. What kind of result I need? Tell me, sir. Naresh. Suresh. Tell me, sir. Daniel. Next one is Harish. Very good. I need this result, man. Can somebody help me how to do this one? By using what exactly? Oh, very good. You got my point actually. Come on. Now I need to implement by using list comparison. Get ready. Result equals to what exactly? Come on. Part number 1. Next one is a part number 2. Execution always starts from part number 1. Tell me for name in names. Name in names. Then here what I need to do? Tell me. Named one more time. Last time. Done, man. That's it actually. Now execute this example. Let us just try to print name and name section. Name and what exactly? Names. Now, if anyone having any confusion in a lambda function, now let me compare. No confusion. Oh, sorry. Let me stop my power action. Good. Name section. Good. Let us execute this example. Yeah, you got it right. Now let me compare with the lambda function. Sir, in a lambda function, almost 3 to 4 operations it is performing. First of all, you are calling map function. What function? That is a one operation. Again, you are calling lambda function. Again, you are calling what exactly? Map function return type is a map object. Again, we need to convert into what exactly? List. But here that much hardaway is not required. Did you notice actually when I was explaining about map function, I done some hardaway. I mean to say that I call the map function. I'm sorry. Those who don't know Telugu, Hadavadi means overaction actually. Hadavadi means what exactly? Just I'm kidding, sir. Now take this one. I'm sure you understand the syntax actually. Now I need to introduce part number 3. I need to introduce what exactly? Part number. Let me introduce. Very simple, sir. What is my requirement? Understand the requirement always. Let us take a values. Any questions I will help you. Hold on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. What is my expected less than 50? To let me know what is the less than 50 values actually. Tell me, sir. Tell me what are the values? 10, 20, 30, 40. That's it. I just wanted to access this one. Means, can I say we are applying a condition? We are applying what exactly? Condition. Yes. This you can achieve by using list comprehension with 3 parts actually. By using what exactly? List comprehension with 3 parts. Let me show you. Result equals to, sir, how many parts required? 3 parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3. No matter what, either 3 parts it is available, always execution starts from what exactly? Part number 2. I mean to say that here actually. Tell me, for value in values, then please observe this one, sir. Hold on. Let me explain the beauty of this syntax actually. Whenever you are taking the syntax like this, first always execute this one. Part number 2 executes actually. And once it is executed, previously, if there is no part 3, immediately the next option goes to here. Am I right? Sir, let me repeat. In a list comprehension, if there are 3 parts actually, if there are how many parts? 3 parts. This one will execute first actually. After this one, the second one will execute the third part actually. Second one will execute what exactly? P3. And the last one is what exactly, sir? This is the third one. Now, according to the order, can you tell me? 3, 1, 2. One more time. 3, 1, 2. Last time. 3, 1, 2. You please keep in mind actually. Sir, like this I'm reading actually. Anyway, you also fun actually. Tell me 2, 3, 1. It's okay, sir. Anything is fine. But remember this order. Let me tell you. For value in values, then immediately from here, you should not touch this one actually. You have to touch what exactly? P3. Why? Because the value will come from here actually. Value will come from P3. Here you need to write a condition. Here you need to write what exactly? Sir, how to write a condition? Did you remember? Yeah. How to write actually? If value less than 50. Less than what exactly? Then here what I need to print actually? Value. Simple. Boss, while iterating the value, get that value. If the value less than 50, print the value. That's it actually. Now execute this example. Can I say the syntax started from the Amirpet till to Kokatpalli actually? Am I right? Syntax is very long, sir. Now values. This is what exactly? Come on, come on, come on. Done, sir. I hope you got it. Did you understand? It's a very simple. Always execution starts from P1, P3. I'm sorry, P2, P3, P1. Now let me go to the theory. It's a very simple. Harish, did you understand at least now? All right. What a great question, sir. Patel, sir, it is a mandatory. Good question. Somebody is asking a question. Hare Daniel, is that brackets mandatory? It's mandatory, sir. If you are not providing brackets, actually, what exactly happen, backend, it will create a generator topic, actually. Backend, it creates a generator that I can cover later, actually. All right. Now just try to come here. All right. All right. Let's move on. Fine, fine. Now let me walk through one by one. Sir, now let me tell you. List comparison is a very easy. LHS equals to RHS and variable. This kind of syntax you cannot get from Google also. With my experience, I have created like this actually. Frankly speaking, you cannot get from anywhere. Part 1, variable or expression. Part 2, for loop with sequence. Part 3, condition actually. Now let me tell you. Sir, whenever you are applying list comprehension, first of all, return type. Result is a list actually. Result is what exactly? List. I hope you need to understand that point very well. Are you getting your one? Good. Now, just try to come here. Hello, Daniel. Instead of list here, can I take a range of value? Can I take what exactly? Range of value. You can take it out, sir. Nothing is wrong. 10 comma, what exactly? 100, let me provide. How many values I need to provide actually? 100. Now execute this example. Execute this example, sir. Now check it out, this one. Exactly. We are getting what exactly? 10 to 49. This is the sequence object. That object can be anything. Either range, list, set. These are all actually, all right? Come here. List comprehension code is a concise code actually. What do you mean by concise? Make it short. Now I'm sure this theory you can understand. This is the last topic in a list actually. Very good, sir. We still left out with this sometime. Come on. List comprehension represents creating a new list from existing list actually, or also called as a iterable object. Also called as what exactly? Iterable, sequence, list. These are all common names, sir. Like a list, set, tuple, dictionary, and range. I'm sorry. List comprehension takes input as a sequence object and we can apply conditional logic on every item and returns what exactly? New list. The list comprehension code is a very concise way. The list comprehension code is what exactly? Concise means very short actually, seriously speaking, right? If you wanted to execute the same example in a different logic, it takes a lot of time. If you wanted to execute the same logic in a different way, almost minimum 3 to 4 lines of the code you need to write. But here we are just simply writing in a single line. Simply writing in what exactly? Single line. The syntax is the new. Please, rather than logic, you need to focus on the syntax here. You need to focus on what exactly, sir? Syntax. How we are writing a for loop, how we are writing a if actually value. These are all you need to focus. Kindly please walk through. Yeah. What happens, sir? Here. Yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute. Sir, this is just for your better understanding. I'm writing long syntax actually, but only one space. What exactly, sir? Only one space actually. Like that you need to write. But from where you will start read actually? Will you start read here actually? No. Where you need to start? For value in values, if value less than 50, print that value. Python is something like a speaking in English actually. The sentences are very simple. Walk through this example. Walk through this example. Here we are multiplying with a 3 actually. Yeah, here also we're doing the same thing. Why 50 also came here? Nice, sir. Nice actually. Value star to something like this. Done, man. So did you understand? I hope you got it right. Which one you want any revision? List comprehension, did you understand? One time practice required. If you done practice, then only you can easy to understand actually. Let me start tuple data structure also. Oh, I hate actually. So, sure, sir. I will accept actually. Somebody is telling, can we start tomorrow? Sure, I will start tomorrow. At least, can I give a small revision? Is it fine? Yeah, good. Let me open tuple data structure document and I will not explain actually. Sir, if you understand list data structure very well, tuple data structure just a matter of 30 to 40 minutes actually. But there are two surprises we can see. I will tell you what is a surprise actually. Surprise number one, surprise number two. That words created by me. Almost similar, but there are 2 to 3 points you need to understand whenever you are comparing with the tuple data structure actually. Okay, good. 1 minute, online team. You're following, I guess. I will give a, let me open tuple data structure tomorrow only, but let me give a small recap. Sir, list how many pages do you let me know? 31. On an average index, these are all some extra spaces I'm using. Let us take it 20 pages. And a tuple data structure on an average, just a matter of 12 pages, sir. See, coming to the straight way actually. Same thing like a, who are all enjoyed list data structure, I'm sure understanding tuple is a very easy. Who are all slept during list data structure, at least focus on this tuple data structure. You will understand actually, right? Yeah, tuple data structure. We can create a tuple data structure. List how to create, sir? Square bracket. And tuple how to create, by using a parenthesis. By using what exactly? List we can create by using square brackets, by using a list function. Tuple you can create by using a parenthesis, by using a tuple function. It's a very simple, right? And this I can cover tomorrow practically. Storing the value, same nature, same feature from the list data. It is borrowed actually from the list data structure. All features it is borrowed actually. Borrowed means, I hope you know, we can take money from our friends, right? Something like that. We can store, come again, sir. I can cover, sir. I hope you already know Python actually, right? I can cover. Hold on, please. A tuple, yeah, very good point. A tuple can store same type of values. A tuple can store what exactly? Same type of value. A tuple can store what exactly? Different type of values also. I mean to say that either list or tuple. First point you need to understand how to create. Second point you need to understand what are all values it is storing. Means what are all values it is storing in the sense, hey Daniel, for the timing I do have a only integers. Can I store tuple actually? You can use. I do have a different values actually. Can I store actually? You can use. But you may ask a question, what is the major difference between list and tuple? What is the major difference between what exactly? Sir, list having mutable nature, tuple having immutable nature. One more time, list having mutable nature, tuple having immutable nature. That point is a very, very important. Few more 2 to 3 points would have actually. I will cover. Next one. Same boss. Insertion order also fixed actually. What do you mean by insertion order? If you are inserting 10, 20, 30, 40, output also 10, 20, 30, 40. Sir, did you remember in between create and store previously, one point is available in list data structure. What is that point? Any idea? Very good, sir. What is that point actually? But why I'm not writing here size, you know? Any idea why I'm not writing? Exactly. Because list having mutable nature, size can expand actually, but tuple having what nature? Sir, tuple is something like a feviquick actually. ఒక్కసారి అంటుకుందంటే it will never leave actually. I mean, once it is stick actually, you have to fight to remove that one. Tuple having immutable nature, then don't talk about the size. No need to discuss about the size actually, right? And anyway, so that suspense will be gone actually. Let me explain this one tomorrow. Is it fine? Yes, sir. Come on, you guys start practice actually. We are done with the almost the major topics we are going to finish. Divya, it is possible. Can you raise same question over Telegram actually? Let everyone having the same attention. You know, either Ranjan or myself who can give it the practical example. Raise same question over not WhatsApp group, Telegram group actually. First of all, I have uploaded list data structure. Let me upload tuple, sir. Let me upload tuple actually. Two things are pending from my side. One is the running nodes. Next one is, yeah. Here, did I upload it yesterday running node, sir? Did I upload it? Maybe I didn't. Let me upload both. Successfully, we done list. So how is list topic, sir? Good, right? I hope you understand. Thank you. Now come here, 5:30. Running nodes. Come here, last two running nodes. Now let me upload tuple data structure topic. Would you have a good time? Let me upload all materials actually. Let me upload all Python materials. Is it okay for you? Good. Let me upload. This is tuple. Our material literally helps you, sir. Please follow our material very carefully. We have designed in such a way that Srikanth, sir, thank you. I know list comparison is such a complex topics actually. Complex topics I would like to explain in a very easy, sir. That's what I like. Next one is the set data structure. Let me upload all Python material. Maybe next week we are going to close the Python. Next week we are going to close the Python. After Python, actual data science will start. What are all things we learned? I will show you practically in a project actually. Even let me give an analysis. What is the next topic actually? Yeah, I'm leaving, sir. Just a few minutes, please. If anyone want, let you go. If anyone wanted to leave, let you go actually, because session is done. Yeah, I uploaded Python, sir, successfully. Let me give an idea. Once we done with the Python, what is the next topic, boss? The next topic name is a data analysis. What is the next topic actually? Uh, by using Python, what we learned, we learned how to create a program. We learned how to create what exactly? Program. And the next topic is a data analysis. What is the next topic actually? Data analysis. By using data analysis, what we can do, we are doing data analysis by using pandas. By using what exactly? Pandas is a topic in a data science library. Keep in mind that. By using pandas, what we are doing, we are going to access more than 1 lakh rows actually. More than how many? 1 lakh rows. We are taking that and we are playing with the operations actually. And very easy. Once we started pandas, literally will enjoy actually. How many chapters would you have, around 21 chapters actually. How many chapters, sir? 21 chapters actually. You can't believe. Very easy. I'm sure. Trust me, data analysis is very easy. It will become your favorite topic. Once we done with the pandas, you will tell, sir, my favorite topic is the data analysis actually. Very easy. Would have a material. Trust me. Let me go to that. Around some 20 plus topics would have separate material. Every topic would have actually. Data analysis. Now just try to see 21 topics. These are all topics we are going to discuss. On an average, 10 sessions. How many sessions actually? 10 sessions required. After pandas, data visualization. After data visualization, maths. Next one, feature engineering. Next one, machine learning, deep learning. Cinema goes like this actually. You are getting right? Fine, sir. So, online team, we done for today's session, sir. Hold on. Sir, will you cover threads in Python? Not required. Good question. Sir, threads is not required. Who are all trying as a, you know, full stack Python developer, it is required actually. Data analysis, EDA, both are same boss. Arti, you're right. Fine, sir. We done for today's session. Thank you for attending the session actually. Take care and don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we are going to cover two topics. One is the tuple, next one is the list actually. Next one is the set data structure. We are going to close tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.